Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat account locked. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat account locked, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will search about this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click for stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we go to click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.